Hi everybody, it's Bethany. I'm a clothing reseller here on the island of Maui in Hawaii. I can be found on Poshmark and on Instagram as Relove Maui. And today I have a yard sale haul for you guys. This is from this past Saturday. I go yard sailing every single weekend. It's so much fun here. There's so many good ones and it's always a total treasure hunt. So this was no exception. I think I got about 200 items this past weekend, and I'm definitely not sharing all of it here, but I did put aside some of my favorites as I started to go through the stuff, and I wanted to share it here because I think it's really fun to share what works for me in my Poshmark closet. I love seeing your haul videos and what works for you. There's a real mixed bag of stuff here. Some of it's pretty good brands, some of it's just things I bought for the style. Definitely surf brands, I always do. There's so many available to me here, and I like to sell them. They do well for me, so I know some people don't, but I do. I really like surf brands. I think that they're great sellers, and I really appreciate that Posh has parties with a lot of the surf brands in it now too, so I definitely do those. Got a lot of stuff here, so I'm just going to jump in and see how far we get. It's a pretty big pile, so I'll just go to it here. So the first item is a Free People item. And this is always one of my favorite brands. I love Free People. This is a really, really wide, flowy, kind of a granite, grayish black t-shirt. And it's like really wide. It's going to be super low in the back. Just a really slouchy fit. And this is new with tags. And it is a size medium. But it could fit definitely a larger size too. It's really loose and flowy. Kind of a nubby type of fabric. And next up, I really like this. This is Rachel Roy. It's actually a really, really cool dress. It's probably about a little below the knee, and it's got this kind of funky asymmetrical hemline. And it's kind of an orangish red, really cool rib material, size small. I really like this. I'm tempted to try it on, but I just cleaned out my closet, and I'm trying not to overfill it once again. But yeah, this is a really cute piece, and I just love that asymmetrical hemline. It's really cool. So yep, and next up is a surf brand. This is O'Neill. It's a little top, kind of a long flowy top. It's longer on the sides. Peach color with some floral print, size medium. It's not new with tags, but it's still got like this little baggie with a button and a little string here. So I know it's definitely never been worn. It's really, really cute. And next up, this brand I actually have never sold. I actually got a really cute like gray wrap kind of shrug from this brand, and I ended up keeping it because it was really soft and gray. It was just perfect, really classic piece. I really liked it, and all the pieces I've seen from this brand have been really classic and nice. It's Andrea Jovine, and this is like a flowy, long top, knit top. Very, very soft. It's a really classic, nice top, size large. And I don't know, again, I don't know too much about this brand, so I'll be curious to see how it does. And there's another piece, I think, in this pile, too, of this brand. So, yeah, let me know how this brand does for you, but it's a really, really nice top. And next up is a tie-dye item. We know I love tie-dye. And I'm trying, again, not to try this on. This is actually a really sexy dress. The brand is, I couldn't actually find too much on the brand. Actually, the brand is Woodley. And, I did find where someone had said it was Anthropology on Poshmark, but you know how that goes. Sometimes people put Anthropology when it's not. So maybe Anthropology has carried it at some points, but either way, the brand itself is actually not in Poshmark as a brand. So I got to research that a little bit more. But either way, I love this dress. It's very sexy. It's open back, and then it's like black on top with this tie-dye skirt, and it's got a big slit in the back. And it's just a really, really cool dress. I'm a big fan of this, so yeah. Try it on. Try to sell it. And oh, I like this next item. So this is really, really fun. It's Roxy, and it is a size 6, and it's crushed velvet, and it's a pink little mini dress. Super cute little pink mini dress. Crushed velvet. Absolutely love this piece. Yeah, I think somebody's gonna do something really fun with this. And let's see here. Next up, what are you? Oh, this is that Andrea Jovine. So this is another Andrea Jovine piece. It's a little dress. It's kind of high neck. I think it's navy. I'll have to confirm that in some light, but I think it's navy. And yeah, size small. Really cute little classic, just knit dress. Could wear that anywhere. Very cute. And another surf brand. What do we have here? Oh, Billabong. Little Billabong mini dress. Size medium. It's got this cool knot design here in the front. I like that look. And it's just very short. It could be a swim cover up. It's almost, I mean, it would be a very short dress, but yeah, it's really, really cute. Soft peach color. And next up, this brand is Tilden, which I guess is sold at Nordstrom. It's just a wide kind of cocoon sweater. This is actually really nice. Yeah, it doesn't really have sleeves. It's just got these like kind of little short sleeves, and it's yeah, size extra small / small. Tilden, kind of a dark gray color. And oh, this next brand this is a Hawaii brand. It's made here in Hawaii. It's really good quality. It's usually pretty expensive here. I actually haven't sold it, I don't think, since I'm back to reselling. So we'll see how it's doing by now. I don't know if it's still doing well or not. It used to. And it's got kind of a niche following from people who know what it is from Hawaii. So it's a size medium little dress. It's gray, and there's a few fighting nail pieces in this pile too. Little very soft gray dress, and yeah, just a little kind of 3/4 sleeved knit dress. Next up, I think this is also Fighting Eel, actually. Yes, it is. This is like a stretchy pencil skirt, like a knit skirt. Fighting Eel, size medium, very classic. And again, it's that really nice quality, soft knit fabric. Another surf brand here. This is Billabong hoodie, size large. I think this is really fun. It says California Love. It's got a bear on it. Just a really soft, fun, slouchy, cozy hoodie. And next up, oh, I think I may actually keep this item. It is a Splendid, I guess it's a size medium. It's Splendid Layers. And so I guess it's a tank top, but it's a very long tank top. It's black. I mean, you could just wear this under anything. I really like it. It's incredibly soft, kind of a thin fabric. But yeah, I might be keeping that. I'll have to try it on, see if it fits. Oh, I love this next item. Love, love, love. So these are Aloe yoga pants. I love Aloe. It's a great yoga line. And these are some really cool pants. They're like light blue, but they're kind of an ombre, if you can see. And then here on the bottom, they've got this orange stripe, only on one leg. How cool is that? Light blue. They're a size large. Super, super cute. I love these. I couldn't believe it when I saw these. And it's next up. Oh, Fighting Eel again. This is kind of like a little tunic dress, yellow, kind of a bright mustard yellow. Size medium. It's actually, I mean, it would be a really short dress. Maybe it's a top. And this actually has a little bit of wear, so I'll have to mention that. But yep. And then, oh, American Eagle denim and distressed. We know how I feel about American Eagle denim. I love it. I sell it all day, every day. And it sells quickly for me. This is a size 8. And they're just like these super distressed jeans. They've got all kinds of rips in them, huge holes. So cool. I just love this. One of my favorite things to sew. And also American Eagle is this pair of shorts. It's kind of a plum color, and it's the high-rise shorty. And they're a size 6, just little cutoffs. Yeah, super cute. Okay, this is Calvin Klein. This is a shimmery cold shoulder top. This is actually really, really pretty. It's kind of sheer. Kind of a shimmery gold and silver. Really pretty, yeah, cold shoulder style. Size medium. And what is this? One more Fighting Eel piece. I think this might be the last one. I'm not sure. It's a wide, kind of like a gray t-shirt, slouchy, size medium. And next up, this is Pink by Victoria's Secret. It's a hoodie, kind of like a tie-dye pink hoodie, size small. Yeah, really cute. And this is a blazer, a guest blazer. So this would be really cute for a professional job. It's got, yeah, just the one button style, size small, black guest blazer. And another Pink by Victoria's Secret item here. These are some yoga pants. So they're black with a gray fold down waist, and it says Love VS on the back. Size small. So small short. Okay. So for petite ladies. And what is this? A Roxy hoodie. Size large. And it's kind of a bluish gray, or grayish blue maybe. Roxy hoodie. Nice and cozy. Kangaroo pocket. And Oh, this is cute. This is Romeo and Juliet Couture Beach line, and it's a little flowy off-shoulder top. Kind of an olive green, size large. Kind of a gauzy fabric. And what is this? Another surf brand, I think. Oh yeah, this is Roxy, and it's a little dress, a little yellow dress. It's new with tags. Yeah, little Roxy, little short dress. Size 4, US size 4. And these are Hollister jeans. I always like distressed denim. I'm a little on the fence about Hollister. I don't really know how it's doing, actually. I think I've only had a couple of pieces in my closet since I've been back, and you know, it's one of those brands that I'm not sure if it's completely run its course or not. So you guys tell me what you think. But I thought these were cute anyway. Hollister crop high rise. So yeah, high rise distressed jeans. I don't think you can really go wrong, and they're a size 11. Okay, this is a little professional dress. Ann Taylor Petite, and this is just like a little fitted sheath dress. Got some shaping to it here with the black trim. Size 6 petite. And let's see, another blazer actually. This is Express. Oh, this is an Express size 6. If I saw it at a professional job, I'd definitely keep this. It's really cute. It's got 2 buttons in the front, kind of a cropped jacket actually, and yeah, I just really like this. Oh, and it's got scrunchy little sleeves. Okay, this is Roxy Girls. This is gonna be a kids thing. I don't do a lot of kids stuff, but this is Roxy. It was new with tags, and it's a really cute piece. It's like a poncho type of a thing, gray, cropped. It's just super cute. It's also new with tags as well, and it's a size 12-14, medium girl size. Okay, another pair of American Eagle distressed denim, and they're the jegging crop style, and they're a size 00. And what next? This is a hoodie. O'Neill hoodie, size large. It's cream colored, and it's got butterflies on the back. Love that. And on the front. Yeah, super cute little O'Neill hoodie. Kind of a cream color. And oh, this is just a cute little dress. I just got this for the style. The brand is Zoompy. Size medium. Just a really pretty kind of watercolor effect, and I love the back. It's really strappy in the back. And then it's got some kind of like beading around the neckline. And it's a size medium. Yeah, this is it's a lot of quite the array of stuff here. It was a kind of a crazy weekend with the yard sales. Oh, I wanted to say this before I forget. This necklace that I'm wearing, I actually got at one of the yard sales, and I bought it from an older lady who was at a church, or no, it wasn't a church yard sale. It was like a community center yard sale, and I always find the best jewelry at those places. I don't know what it is about it. It seems like people that are just a little bit older have the coolest jewelry, and that was the case in this place too. It was a lot of like retirees that were selling their stuff, and yeah, this lady had this necklace, and I was like, man, I love it. I'll take it. It was one of the first things I bought in the whole day, and I think it was my good luck charm because I bought 200 more items after that. So I'll take it. Okay, this is Naked Zebra. I love Naked Zebra. It's not a fancy brand by any means, but it's definitely always cute stuff. I sell a lot of their tank tops, and I wear a lot of their tank. Actually, this tank top I'm wearing. This is a little dress, though. It's black, and it's a size small. Little short dress with crisscross back. Super cute. Looks brand new. Oh, it is brand new. It's got the tag on it. And what's this? This is Calvin Klein. It's a size XL top. Black on the back, printed on the front. This is a swim piece. This is Acacia Swimwear. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this line. It's very popular in Hawaii, and it's very, very skimpy. This is a size medium, and it is very little fabric involved here. Man, it's a little on the skimpier side, this brand, but it's Acacia Swimwear. So it's a size medium, and it's got it's actually, I think it's meant to be reversible. So it's got the navy blue on one side and kind of a leopard on the other. And what are these? Ann Taylor Petite, kind of professional type of pants. They've actually got a cool zipper on the side. Gives them a little bit of an edge. Skinny leg. 6 petite. And next up, these are Ruka, so kind of like a surf skater type of brand. like a dusty green cut-off jean shorts. There's the back. And Hello Mellow is what the style is called. They're size 26. Okay. Oh, I love this brand. This next one it's Tarte. Yeah, Tarte, and it's a little dress. It's black and tan, and it's got a zipper, exposed zipper in the back. Super cute, and size extra small. Got this kind of scrunch to it. It's got some really nice shape, I think. And their fabrics are always just like so soft. Deliciously soft, I like to say. Okay, a few more things here. Next up is a little American Eagle Outfitters, like tunic dress, basically. This is adorable, I think. It's red. It's got lace panels. It's got these wide the kind of like flowy sleeves. And also new with tags, too. There was quite a few new with tags pieces that I had, so size small on this. Very boho, very pretty. I love this jacket. I'm tempted to keep it, but I just got rid of a winter jacket when I cleaned out my closet, and I don't really need a winter jacket right now. I'm not going anywhere cold. So this is Rip Curl. Rip Curl is the brand, and it's anti-series, so it's anti-cold, anti-wind, anti-rain. So it's gray, and it's got some kind of like soft furry lining here. Size medium. Totally my size, would totally fit me. I'm really tempted by this. Okay, next up is a Zara little mini dress. Cream color. I guess it's a mini dress. It's shaped more like a top. But I feel like it's long enough to be a mini dress. It's kind of hard to say without trying it on, but size medium, cream color. Kind of a heavier, almost sweatshirt fabric. And this next one, I just got it for the style. I looked the brand up. It looks like it does okay on Posh. I don't think it's anything crazy. Catherine Barclay, Montreal. This is a size 6. Pencil skirt, very sleek. I love the print on it. It's kind of like snakeskin inspired, and it's just really cool. I think it's just got a beautiful shape to it. I think it's going to be very flattering on someone to wear to work, and maybe a little work and play. And yeah, size 6. This I actually got at the same sale where I got this necklace, so I did get a few things there. This is and I wasn't familiar with this brand. I had to look it up. It was Simple New York City, but Simple is spelled with a Y, Symple, New York City. It's a really nice linen top. That's why I looked it up. I was like, this feels like something really good. And it's kind of all over the map on Poshmark. It looks like it does okay. So we'll see what this sells for. I'm very curious. It's definitely my first time selling this brand. I had no idea anything about it, so... Oh, you know what? This one I meant to look up and I forgot. So I actually don't know if this is a good brand or not. It's Macbeth Collection by Margaret Josephs. And it's a tank top. It's got this skinny back strap, which I love, and it's braided. Super cute. And yeah, I don't know anything about this brand. It was a cute top, and it looked like it could be something. I grabbed it. I'll look it up, and I'll sell it either way, because it's cute. Couple more things here, and then I'll be done. So... another pair of Pink by Victoria's Secret yoga pants. These are size small. Short again, so that must be the same person. These are black, and then they have kind of like a little patterned waistband on them. And both of these are kind of wider leg style of the Victoria's Secret yoga pants. Okay, the last piece I'm going to share from this haul for right now at least. This is Banana Republic sweater. It's incredibly soft. It's a size extra small, and it's got some little tiny little seed beads on the front. And it almost feels like it has cashmere, and it doesn't actually, but it feels like it. It's incredibly soft and just a nice little classic 3/4 sleeve sweater. All right, that went quicker than I thought. It looks like such a huge pile. It actually went really fast. But anyway, that's kind of my highlights from this weekend. I had a really, really nice time, and I found all this stuff in like 3 hours, and there was definitely, that's probably about a third of what I found. There was a lot more, and kind of a lot of sort of repeats of similar items too, so I didn't want to do too much repetition. But anyway, it's fun sharing it here with you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. Leave me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear any ideas for videos. I love watching all of your videos too. I watch them all the time. I watch them while I photograph. I watch them while I'm doing listings on my phone. I love it. It's so much fun. I love connecting here and on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram and on Poshmark at @ReLoveMaui. Have yourself a fantastic day. Aloha.